welcome to you. My name's Dale and this is Dale's Addiction. Today I got a message from my Chanel essay saying that something that I had been looking for had come into store, and I actually went to see my essay on the weekend when I went shopping with a friend and reminded him of the fact that I was chasing this piece. So I said, can you hold it? I'll be right in. And he's like, I'm not at work today. The team's really busy. I can't get on to anyone. So I made the mad dash into Chanel. And just as I got into the store, I heard this call, Dale. And I turned around and it was Emily. Hi, Emily, who watches my videos, and said, I was like, those look like shoes that Dale wears. And I'm pretty sure that she's got a Chanel jumbo. Hers has got the silver hardware. And then she saw my earrings and she's like, that's definitely Dale. And so, hi Emily, I'm so glad that you said hi. It was great to catch up with you in store. Not that Chanel were, accommodating of our chit chat. They just wanted to finalise the sale and get us out of there. But I really enjoyed meeting you. And yeah, if anybody does see me out and about, say hi, because it's such a rare occurrence to be in the same place and time and have the thought. And Emily was saying she was visiting from Melbourne, just in Brisbane for the day, heading to the Gold Coast, came to Queen's Plaza because I'd recommended it and said I'm a bad influence, and I corrected her and said I'm a good influence, and said, wouldn't it be funny if I saw Dale? And there I was. So there you go. Super fun and still super weird to be recognised, forgetting that what happens here on YouTube, actually happens in the real world, right? So what I was there to pick up came in this little bag here. And I think you'll understand, but you'll also be like, I wasn't expecting that. So let's talk about packaging, shall we? Because Connor will love that. I think this is the Chinese New Year packaging? I assume it is because it's got lots of astrological signs. So I don't think it's anything particularly special for Valentine's Day, which it is today. Hope you all had a fabulous Valentine's or Galentine's Day, or just celebrated your self-love, because, we all need to do a bit of that. So, okay, I've got a mixture of packaging, or maybe this is how it goes, but that's quite pretty. Were these from the Christmas? I don't know. I haven't bought anything from Chanel in a little bit, have I? I don't think I have. Anyway, that's kind of cute. So, super interesting for Chanel not to be matching things. And I didn't get a camellia on my bag, which is interesting. Maybe there's a shortage, and so maybe that is left over from holidays. First world problems. Where did my camellia come from? Is it current season? Okay. So inside of this little box, this one gives it away. Bijou Fantasy. You're like, what is it, Dale? Did you go back and get some more earrings? Did I? Let's do this together. Hopefully it's up the right way. I think it is. It's the Lady Lion. Oh my God, so cute. This is the Lady Lion brooch, and I'll hold it by the brooch. You might remember that I showed you this as a bag charm on a mini rectangular that I saw in my Chanel vlog. If I can grab a clip from that video and put it in here, remind you. And ever since, I'm just like, oh, it's so cute. It reminds me of my Paris Hamburg charm because it's got legs and arms. And then Lucinda showed me that it was coming out in a brooch and a keychain, and so I got onto we share the same essay, Lucinda from Yellow Chic Road, I should say, and just said, hey, if they come, let me know. So it came, and he let me know, and now I've got it, and it's so cute. So if you're not aware, Chanel was a Leo. That was her astrological sign, so I think that's why this is the lion. I haven't looked too far into it, but you can see that the lion's got little Demonte eyes and a CC on its head. You can see just up here. And a little CC in one hand and a little handbag in the other hand. How cute. A little classic flap, which is very nice. And then little flowers on the boots. And obviously the Chanel jacket. But yeah, there are all the details. I'm going to get my other one to show you these two together. So they're so beautiful. Here's the other one that I bought, and I believe this is from the Paris Hamburg collection, and it's like a little de Villiers lifesaver, maybe. This one has got a little lobster claw on it so that you can kind of use it, I suppose, as a charm, but it is a brooch, if you can see there. But it has very different like design elements to the other one. So this one on the brooch mechanism itself doesn't actually have any CCs on there, but it does have like a little plaque at the bottom, which on the bottom, which is tiny. I think it also says made in Italy as well. So it's no surprise to you that I like things that are playful, and these two little brooches are super cute because they've got hands and feet, and they're really unique and interesting, and I think they just bring a really playful touch, and you don't look like you work at Chanel when you wear these brooches. They're not the CC brooches that look typical of a Chanel uniform, and so there's many reasons that I like them. But I'll be pairing this with a blazer for work. I think this is one that you could also, because of how long the pin is, you could potentially fashion it into some kind of hair clip, depending on, you know, how creative you are with your hair. I think this one would also look great if you had like a shirt on and you used it to clip your collar closed. I think that would be a cute look as well. So yeah, I'm going to have a bit of a play around styling this one. Not now, this is just a quick reveal. But I did want to share with you, when I was in store, I was able to see a Chanel 19 in the light denim with the silver hardware. I've taken a photo of it. I'll put it in. It was on a mannequin, and as I said, like, it just wasn't, they're just not great at giving you an enjoyable shopping experience. So I looked at it. It is beautiful, but I am glad that I have my denim flap bag, which I'll show you. So I am really glad that I've got this one, and I don't have any FOMO for missing out on that 19. I also tried on the graffiti denim bag in the black that had just come in today. I'll put in some of those pictures here. The buckle was really hard to use. So when you tried to, the twist lock, when you tried to twist it, it's like it wasn't deep enough for the flap to get all the way over and twist it. So you had to kind of push it in like that and then twist it. It's not up close in person. It's not a $6,500 bag. It's just not. It's not. It doesn't have that va-va-voom kind of look about it in terms of how the graffiti has been put onto the bag, the fabric that the bag's made out of. I wouldn't pay $6,500 for it. I thought it was fun, and if it was given to me as a gift, I'd be like, yes, thanks, that's awesome. It's not long on the crossbody, so it's more a shoulder wear. Crossbody, it sits quite short, and due to the size of the bag, at least with what I'm wearing today, I wasn't expecting to see it. It just wasn't for me. So again, I feel really happy that I don't have any FOMO about that denim collection. So I think it's at about this much higher than this bag and probably a bit narrower. So it's kind of like a square, more of a squarish, like a higher rectangle. So the shape is actually more like this size, but this one has the grommets across the top, and I can wear this one crossbody very easily. So a very eventful day. I was quite happy with the fact that I was able to pick up this little lady lion brooch, but also that I could clear any levels of doubt that I'd missed out on something fantastic from Chanel. For those of you who do have those pieces and love them, congratulations. I'm glad that you do. Just on this occasion, they weren't for me, and it makes me so happy because I have got a lot of eye candy on the horizon coming up, and I need to save my pennies. So I hope you've enjoyed the Chanel unboxing. Oh, before I go, I did go into Chanel Beauty just because the line to get the lifts down to the car park was very long, and I thought, I'm not going to wait here. I may as well wander around. It's bad for the wallet. And I picked up the new Rouge Cocoa Balm. I think they come in about 6 colours. I picked up my Rose, and I've got lipstick on now, but I won't put it on. But the salesperson said to me that, see the beautiful packaging, that it's more about the moisturising quality than it is about the colours. But this colour, it kind of comes out. I'll do a bit of a swatch on my inner wrist so you can see. So it kind of comes out as like a rosy pink. So it's quite a natural lip colour. They said it's more about the moisturising quality because of COVID and everyone wearing masks and having dry lips. I doubt that Chanel is taking any cues from the way that we live, because nothing else that they do reflects the way that we live these days. Wow. They also threw in a couple of perfume samples that you cannot buy at the department stores. So one is beige and the other one is Paris de Ville. So I will try those and let you know how they went. And another little sneaky thing I found in the bag were these little buttons, like a badge button thing. Like, what do you do with that? I don't know. I'll find something to do with it. Anyway, that's my unboxing, my little story about meeting subscribers. If you've liked this video, give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. I put out videos on Wednesdays and Sundays, and sometimes little extras just like this one. So I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.